Good morning, friends. My name is Jitin Davasya. I am here with the presentation on ethics, uses, and abuses of machine learning. Machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence focused on building applications that learn from data and improve their accuracy over time without being programmed to do so. Machine learning is one of the most exciting technology that one would have ever come across. As it is evident from the name, it gives the computer that makes it more similar to human, the ability to learn. Machine learning is actively being used today, perhaps in many more places than one would expect. The machine learning algorithms are classified as supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning, where all these algorithms have various limitless applications such as image recognition, voice recognition, prediction, video surveillance, social media platform, spam and malware detection, customer support, search engine, etc. Then ethics in machine learning. The ethic is just about what is right or what is wrong. Due to the relative youth of machine learning as a discipline and the speed at which it is progressing, the associated legal issues and the social norms are often quite uncertain and constantly in flux. Caution should be exercised when obtaining or analyzing data in order to avoid breaking laws, violating terms of service of data use agreements, abusing the trust, or violating privacy of the customer or the public. Apart from the legal consequences, using data inappropriately may hurt the bottom line. Customer may feel uncomfortable or become spooked if the aspect of their lives they consider private are made public. The informal uh, corporate motto of Google, an organization which collects perhaps more data on individuals than any other, is "Don't be evil." This may serve as a responsible starting point of forming your own ethical guidelines, but it may not be sufficient. The fact that you can use data for a particular end does not always mean that you should. Then biases. Biases isn't strictly an ethical issue. It could be a performance issue that affecting the effectiveness of your system. But in the conversation around AI and machine learning ethics, it's the most practical way of starting or to think seriously about the issue. There are two types of biases. One is pre-existing and dataset biases. Pre-existing biases are embedded in the data on which we choose to train algorithm. While it's truly that just about every data set will be biased in some way. Data is representation, or after all, there will be always be something missing. The point here is that we need to be aware of the extent of the bias and the potential algorithmic consequences. Then the second one is technical and contextual biases. Technical machine learning biases is about how an algorithm is programmed. It refers to the problem that arises when an algorithm is built to operate in a specified way. Essentially, it occurs when the programmed element of an algorithm fails to properly account for the context in which it is being used. Then we can talk about the uses of machine learning. Machine learning is primarily interested in making sense of complex data. This is broadly applicable mission and a largely application. There are limitless application of machine learning, and there are a lot of machine learning algorithms are available to learn. They are available in every form from simple to high complex. Some uses of machine learning are as follows: image recognition, automatic language translation, medical diagnosis, stock market trading, online fraud detection, virtual personal assistant, email spam and malware filtering, self-driving cars, product recommendation, traffic prediction, speech recognition. These are the some of the applications of machine learning. In recognition, image recognition is one of the most common application of machine learning. It is used to identify object, persons, place, digital image, etc. The popular use case of image recognition and face detection is automatic friend tagging suggestion. Facebook provides use a feature of auto friend tagging suggestion. Whenever we upload a photo with our Facebook friend, then we automatically get tagged in suggestions with the name, and the technology behind this is machine learning face detection and recognition algorithm. And then about speech recognition, while we are using Google, we get an option of search by voice. It comes under speech recognition, and it's a popular application of machine learning. Um, then the next one is traffic prediction. If we want to visit a new place, we take help of Google Maps, which shows us the correct path with the shortest route and predict the traffic condition. Some of the it will predict the traffic conditions such as whether traffic is clear, slow moving, or heavy congested with the help of arrays. The two array two ways. One is real-time location and average time has taken. Next one is product recommendation. Machine learning is widely used by various e-commerce and entertainment companies such as Amazon, Netflix, etc. for product recommendation to the user. Whenever we search for some products in Amazon, then we can start getting an advertisement of the same product while internet surfing on the same browser, and this is because of machine learning. Then self-driving cars. One of the most exciting application of machine learning is self-driving cars. Machine learning plays a significant role in self-driving cars. Tesla, the most popular car manufacturing company, is working on self-driving cars. It is using supervised learning method to train the car models to detect people and objects while driving. Next one is email spam and malware filtering. Whenever we receive a new mail, it is filtered automatically as important, normal, and spam. We also receive an important mail in our inbox with the important symbol and the spam emails in our spam box. And the technology behind this is machine learning. The filtering the Gmail have some filters. They are content filter, header filter, general blacklist filter, role based filter, and a permission filter. Then virtual personal assistant. We have various virtual personal assistants such as Google Assistant, Alexa, Cortana, Siri. As the name suggests, they help us in finding the information using our voice instruction. This assistant can help us in various ways just by our voice instruction, such as play music, call someone, or open an email, scheduling an appointment. That's all. And then online fraud detection. Machine learning is making our online transaction safe and secure by detecting fraud transaction. Whenever we perform some online transaction, there may be various ways that a fraudulent transaction can take place, such as fake account, fake IDs, and steal money in the middle of the transaction. So to detect this, feed-forward neutral network help us by checking whether it is a genuine transaction or a fraud transaction. Next is stock market trading. Machine learning is widely used in stock market trading. In this stock market, there is always a risk of up and downs in shares. So for this machine learning, long short-term memory neutral network is used for prediction of stock market trading. Next is medical diagnosis. In medical science, machine learning is used for disease diagnosis. This medical technology is growing very fast and able to build 3D models that can predict the exact position of lesions in the brain. Next is automatic language translation. Nowadays, if we visit a new place and um, we are not aware of the language, then it is not a problem at all. As for this, also machine learning help us by converting the text into our own language. Google's GNMT provides this feature, which is a neutral machine learning and translating the text into our familiar language and is called as automatic translation. These are some of the uses of machine learning. Then we can talk about the abuses of machine learning. The feature that make AI and machine learning system integral to business, such as providing automated prediction by analyzing large volume of data and discovering patterns that arises, are the very same feature that cyber criminals misuse and abuse for ill gains. Some of the abuses are deepfakes. One of the more popular abuses of AI are deepfakes. which involves the use of AI techniques to craft or manipulate audio and visual content for those to appear authentic. A combination of deep learning and fake media, deepfakes are perfectly suited for use in future disinformation campaigns because they are difficult to immediately differentiate from legitimate content, even with the use of technical solution. Because of the wide use of the internet and social media, deepfake can reach millions of individuals in different parts of the world at an unprecedented speed. Next is AI supported password guessing. Cybercriminals are employing machine learning to improve algorithm for guessing user passwords. More traditional approaches such as Hashcat and John the Ripper already exist to compare different variations of to the password hash in order to successfully identify the password that correspond to the hash. With the use of neural network and generative adversarial network, however, cybercriminals would be able to analyze vast password dataset and generate password variation that fit the statistical distribution. In this future, this will lead to more accurate and targeted password guessing and a higher chance for profit. Next is abusing smart assistant. An alternative approach to attack AI algorithm is to target AI assistant by either exploiting their presence in household or abusing the development model. In particular, an AI assistant could be targeted by developing adversarial system or polluting dataset. Next is human impersonation on social network platform. Cybercriminals are also abusing AI to imitate human behavior. For example, they are able to successfully dupe bot detection system on social media platforms such as Spotify by mimicking human-like usage pattern. Though this AI-supported impersonation, cybercriminals can then monetize the molecules system to generate fraudulent stream and traffic for the specific artist. Next is AI supported hacking. As we all know, what is hacking? The support of AI, the hacking has been more improved and is very dangerous. Then let me conclude this. AI promises greater efficiency and a higher level of automation and autonomy. A subfield of computer science with many cross relationship with the other disciplines. AI intrinsically a dual use technology and at the heart of the so-called fourth industrial revolution. As a result of this duality, while it can bring enormous benefit to social and help to solve some of the biggest challenges we currently faces, AI could also enable a range of digital, physical and political threats. Therefore, the risk and the potential criminal abuse of AI system need to be well understood in order to protect not only society but also critical industries and infrastructures from molecules actors. Thank you for watching this.